Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart. If you have watched my previous videos, other videos, then you know pretty well that I prefer to keep my chart clean. But you can see that I have got many lines here, so not get confused. I'll be explaining them one by one, and please watch the video carefully because there are many things that we need to discuss for Euro USD, and Monday will be very crucial for Euro USD as well. So let's get started. So first and foremost, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then there should not be any doubt that Euro USD is in downtrend. Yes, you can clearly see that Euro USD is in downtrend, and if you look at the present trend also, then there is a huge selling pressure on Euro USD right now. So if we look at, or if we follow the basic rule of the market, which says that follow the trend, then we should mainly look for selling opportunities, because following the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So Euro USD is in downtrend, so we should mainly look for selling opportunities. But there are certain things that we must understand as well. So first and foremost, this trend line, okay, this trend line is still valid resistance for the market, and I have been discussing about this trend line for quite some time, because you can clearly see on the chart that whenever market was trying to go up, it faced resistance, and this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, I'll request you to draw this trend line on your charting platform so that you can understand the market better. So apart from this resistance, okay, right now we also have a support on the dynamic support on the chart in the form of a trend line. So I have not discussed previously about this trend line. So as I'm discussing now, so you need to draw this line as well. So you have understood about this trend line, which is the dynamic resistance for the market. Remember the word, I'm using the word dynamic. Dynamic means there is no proper exact value. Okay, therefore it is called as dynamic support and resistance. So these trend lines are dynamic support and resistance. So we have a trend line in the form of a resistance, and on the downside we have a trend line in the form of a support. Right now you can see that whenever market was coming down, it was getting support from this trend line. Therefore this is a dynamic resistance and this is a dynamic support. And as you have as you all know, that market has crossed this level 1.17. if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you know this level very well, because 1.1710 is level that I have been talking about for quite some time, because this was a support from the weekly chart, and right now we can see that market is trading below the weekly chart. So generally you may be thinking that market is trading below the weekly chart, therefore we should short the market. But before shorting the market, I would like to show you one thing here. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD. Okay, things are about to get complicated from here, so watch the video carefully. So if you look at the weekly chart of Euro USD here, then you can see that market is still trying to respect this support level, because we do not have a big fat red candle breaking all the support and all. We can see that market is still trying to respect the weekly support level. That's a great thing, that's a very good thing. Let me show. See, this is the chart of CAD JPY. In the chart of CAD JPY, you can see that this was a support on the weekly chart, and market has broke the weekly support with huge volume. Okay, so in this case the support is gone, but in the case of Euro USD here, in the case of Euro USD, the same thing is not applicable here. Market is still trying to respect the weekly support here, and that's a good thing. Therefore still there are hope for 1.1710 level. Okay. So let's go to the Forex sentiment meter one. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So this is the Forex sentiment meter here, and you can see that 29% retail traders have taken short position and 70% retail traders have taken long position. So 70% retail traders were thinking that market would be going up, and as we all know, 90%, yes, more than 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason of losing money is that they fail to follow the trend of the market. When Euro USD was going down, when Euro USD was crossing the weekly support with great amount of volume, they were taking long position. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Wait for the perfect opportunity, wait for the perfect analysis and proper timing. So anyways, my dear friends, I have also launched a pro trader membership program recently, where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market available on a regular basis. And apart from that, I'll be also sharing some educational stuff as well. So just go through all the information here, and if you want to know more, then you can also visit the pro trader tab here. Okay. So this is a chart of Euro USD again. We are back again. So what should be our strategy for Monday? Okay, first of all, okay, you can see the market is trading below this level. Okay, so wait for the market to open on Monday and see where the price goes. Okay, right now this is the weekly resistance here. Okay, because this was the support. Still, we do not have the confirmation whether market will be going up or not. Listen to me carefully. Still, we do not have any confirmation yet. Okay, we just know that market has crossed the weekly support. Market has crossed this level and market is trading below it. So wait for the market to open on Monday and then observe the price where it goes. If you see price is coming or reversing from 1710 level, or market is reversing from here, then you can short the market, because overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. We have seen that, and present trend is also towards the downside. In that case, if market reverses from 1.1710 level, this weekly support level, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, the support has become resistance. Okay, so that is your first trading opportunity. Clear? Second trading opportunity is if market, okay, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this weekly support level, then wait for 4 hours at least and just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. Because in the weekly chart we have seen that market is trying to take support, market is still trying to respect the weekly support here. So therefore there is also a possibility that market will be crossing this level. If you see after 4 hours, or if market gives a proper closure, okay, if market gives a proper closure above this level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the weekly support is back in the game again, and you can go for a buy here. And this trend line will be acting as a resistance, so you'll short the market here when market will be going up. Okay, and this is also a resistance, small resistance, may or may not act as a resistance. So these two lines are not required for Monday right now, but right now Euro USD is in very crucial position. So the main Monday opening will be very crucial for Euro USD. If it reverses from this 1.1710 level, if it reverses from here, short the market, and if it crosses the 1.1710 level with good volume and all, you can go for buy. So right now, let's wait and watch how the Euro USD reacts. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.